we present XplainAct Visualization for Personalized Intervention Insights. In this video, we follow Taylor, a health-conscious citizen who is deeply concerned about the opioid crisis in her home of Boone County, West Virginia. She turns to XplainAct in hopes of understanding why her county is struggling with high opioid mortality and identifying actionable steps that could help reduce the death rate. Taylor first examines the three major views of the interface: the choropleth map view, the explanation view, and the subgroup view. She begins by analyzing the choropleth map to understand how opioid-related deaths vary across counties. By exploring several high death rate areas, shaded in purple, and low death rate areas, shaded in green, she compares their attribute distributions in the parallel coordinates. This exploration gives her an overview of how different attributes appear to correlate with opioid mortality, helping her form initial hypotheses about potential risk factors. Next, she decides to focus on Boone County and its cluster by selecting it on the choropleth map. The map highlights Boone and its peer counties, and the parallel coordinates immediately reveals several concerning patterns shared across the cluster: high levels of insufficient sleep, a large number of mentally unhealthy days, and low education levels. These trends stand out as potential contributing factors to the cluster's alarmingly high opioid death rate. To explore potential mitigating strategies, Taylor switches to the intervention mode of the parallel coordinates. In this mode, she interacts with the model to simulate the effects of various hypothetical interventions. After experimenting with different attributes, she discovers that the opioid death rate can be significantly reduced by lowering the number of mentally unhealthy days. Further exploration reveals that decreasing the percent of insufficient sleep also reduces the number of mentally unhealthy days, leading to an additional drop in the opioid death rate. This causal chain offers actionable insights for designing targeted interventions to address the crisis in her community. To better understand Boone County's situation, Taylor turns to the explanation view. The waterfall plot, generated using SHAP, highlights key factors contributing to the high opioid death rate, including a high number of mentally unhealthy days, high percent of insufficient sleep, and elevated HIV prevalence rate. The first two attributes confirm the trends she observed earlier, while all three collectively reveal the underlying challenges contributing to the opioid crisis in Boone County and its peers. Based on these findings, Taylor recommends that Boone County promote better sleep habits through public health and workplace initiatives, expand access to health services, and address broader issues like crime and education. She also suggests that other counties with similar patterns could apply these priorities to reduce opioid-related challenges. Thanks for watching.